Vo východoeurópskych kontúrach ide výnimočný, priam revolučný projekt. Čistiereň odpadových vôd totiž využíva jedinečnú technológiu čistenia odpadových vôd v kontajneri, teda kompaktnej jednotke. Ide konkrétne o nízkonákladovú technológiu Agar, patentovanú izraelskou firmou Agwise, ktorú prvýkrát uvedú na slovenskom trhu.
Good morning. I'm very happy to be here today for a few reasons. First of which, because water is the essence of life. The second reason is because in this project there is a cooperation of Slovakia and Israel. Agwise is an excellent example of such Israeli company that represent Israeli ingenuity and technology. And as an ambassador of Israel, I would like to see many of those cooperation happening in the future.
Tento projekt nie je síce nejak šialene veľký, ale bol financovaný z vlastných zdrojov Východoslovenskej vodárenskej spoločnosti, takže pre nás to má tiež veľkú hodnotu. Je tu na to, aby ochraňovala životné prostredie a aby pomohla obyvateľom v tejto obci a zároveň aj všetkým dovolenkárom, ktorí tu chodia z celého okolia, čistejšie a zdravšie fungovať.
Agwise is a technology company that is working in over 40 countries. So please, I would like to welcome everyone to see a more technical explanation from our head engineer here.
Yeah, well, most of the people, they stop worrying about the wastewater, or they stop worrying about drainage the minute they are flushing the toilet. I'm asking, what do you think happens afterwards? Most of the people really don't know where that's going. So that's the first explanation for you. Wastewater, or the drainage, or when you're showering, everything ends here, the facility. It doesn't go directly to the sea, it doesn't go directly to the river. Well, the process involves actually the degradation, the purification of the organic matters and of nitrogen in the wastewater. And it involves mechanical treatment and a biological treatment. It begins with a mechanical separation of the big stuff like napkins and woods and other things. Afterwards, the wastewater will be pumped into a biological reactor. In this example, the biological reactor is working on the Agwise carrier, biomass carrier. This is a special media that the bacteria is growing and it's clearing the wastewater. After the biological system, you have purified the water, but you also have created bacteria. So you need to separate the bacteria from the purified water. This is inside the container. There is a separation unit called media clarifier of Agwise, and it takes the solid bacteria, takes it out, separates it by gravity, and takes the purified water outside to the next tank. After that, the water is already in a good quality. It is drinkable, but it's not disinfected, so usually you will not drink it. So you go with that to a third, the separation or purification stage, which is the filtration. So even the smallest particle that went out, they will be cut by the filter medium. We use a ultraviolet disinfectant, and it's damaging the structure of the bacteria and kills them. So it doesn't have any pathogenic, it doesn't have any disease potential. Then afterwards, it just flow directly to the lake. In this case, in other cases, those kind of lakes, after having this high advanced purification, are declared as swimmable lakes that you can go into the water, you can go into the lake and swim. Of course, if you mean swim, we don't actually mean swim, we mean you can touch, you can swallow, nothing will happen. So it's right.